Correct TV.
Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting.
Claudia, my son, Eduardo.
If you really are just a dream, Eduardo, then you're the most beautiful dream I'll ever have in my life.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Ina Morata.
The woman I love.
A promise of love destroyed by greed and evil intentions.
What I want is for you to marry my daughter, Claudia.
I have fallen in love with you.
Kung ikaw ay isang panaginip, ayoko nang magising.
Correct TV.
Now we own